Hey, it's Katie bringing you today's deal on the exercise gliding discs. Now this is an awesome way to add balance, flexibility, and cardio into your daily workout. Now, because your hands and feet never leave the ground when you use them, it is considered a low impact workout. So it's perfect for anybody with arthritis, a sports injury, or if you're looking to just step it up. Just look at these. This is all you need for a quick workout. No gym membership required. You can use them at home, take them with you to the office to work out during your lunch, or if you're going on vacation and you don't want to break in your workout, simply pack these in a backpack and bring them with you. There's so many different workouts that you can do with these. They're made to give you a full body workout. Now there are some suggestions on the back, such as mountain climbers, reverse lunges, or arm slides. Now, don't let that stop you. You can look up more exercises online, let your imagination run wild, but the point is to get you moving. As I mentioned, these are great to use anywhere. Now, one side of the disc is made of plastic, so it's perfect to put on carpets or rugs, and then the other side is made out of a soft fabric, so if you want to put it on a tile or laminate flooring, no matter where, you can get the perfect workout in. With these, you're going to get 2 discs, one for each hand or one for each foot. Now, we have a fantastic deal on these, so head on over to our site and grab yours today.